everyone, my name is Suhana and welcome to my channel Shoevolution. For those of you who are watching me for the first time, Shoevolution is a place where I talk about shoe trends, styling tips, hacks, cleaning tricks and a lot more about shoes. So if you're a shoe lover, then this is the place to be. And if you're new, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a video. For daily updates on shoe trends and styling, you can give me a follow on my Instagram page, that is Shoevolution_India, and follow me on Facebook as well. So today we are going to review Birkenstock EVA sandals. For people hearing this brand for the first time, let me tell you about it. Birkenstock is a very famous German footwear brand. It is rated among the top 5 best footwear brands internationally. Now you will be thinking, why is this brand so famous? So basically Birkenstock is super famous for their comfortable footwear, and they have shoes from closed shoes to sandals, slippers and so on. Especially their sandals, that's what it is famous for. And from Hollywood stars to everywhere, people around the world, they go gaga about the Birkenstock sandals. They look a little ugly, but yes, they are the most trendiest sandal to wear. And now, why are they so famous? They are really famous because of their special footbed. The footbed is made up of cork and rubber, which makes it super comfortable, and it takes the shape of your foot once you wear it, and that makes it super comfortable to wear throughout the day. But today I'm not going to review those leather Birkenstocks. I'm going to review another variant of Birkenstock. Those are called the EVA sandals. So basically the leather ones are like super expensive, and the EVA one are half the price. The leather ones they start from about rupees 7,000 and above, whereas the EVA, the one which I bought, which I'm going to review, is about rupees 3,000. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you, is it worth spending that amount in Birkenstocks or not, the comfort level, and how you can style them in different ways. So stick till the end of the video. So these are the Birkenstock EVA sandals, and this is the box. So it's not an unboxing video, guys, it's a review video. I bought this a month back and I worn it for a month, and I thought I should review it and inform you guys as well about the shoe. So these are the Birkenstock EVA, and EVA basically stands for ethylene vinyl acetate. It's basically the material of which they're made of. It's something between rubber and foam, which makes it super flexible and gives a lot of comfort and cushion. And guys, this video is not a sponsored video. I bought the shoe, I really liked it, and I thought I will review it as well. So let's get into the specification of the shoe. This shoe is very comfortable. It is light as air, I think because of the material, and it is the most comfortable shoe I have ever worn. I'm not lying, guys, no jokes. This is actually the most comfortable shoe. Like, the rage about Birkenstock being comfortable is, I think, true. And yes, it is like very comfortable. You will hear me say this a lot of times in the video, so bear with me. Now let me just tell you why. If you see it carefully, the footbed is very well designed and contoured. The edge of the footbed is designed in a way that it protects the toe against any external influences. Then you have the toe grip over here that supports the natural toe roll in motion, and then you have this deep heel cup which basically keeps the heel firmly in its natural position. So it basically, the foot fits so perfectly into the footbed, and there is a strong grip. Your foot will not slide forward. Another thing about them is that they're the perfect summer sandal, and let me tell you why. Because they're waterproof. So that's why, that is one of the very important reason I wanted to buy the EVA one, apart from the price, is they are waterproof, and it's perfect for monsoons, especially over here in India when the monsoon season is here and it's raining cats and dogs outside. So yes, this is like perfect. They're trendy, they look super chic, and they're waterproof. So you can wear it literally with anything, with your jeans, dress, skirt, anything. I'll be showing you how to style them as well at the end of the video. So stick around. Another great thing about the sandal is the adjustable straps. Oh my god, that is like so amazing. I don't know guys if you could relate to it, that whenever we buy sliders we always buy like a size above, because we know that in winters we'll be wearing those thick socks, and if we buy a normal size our foot will not fit in, so we always tend to buy a size bigger so that we can comfortably wear our sliders even during winters. But with Birkenstock you don't have to do that, because they have these very cool adjustable straps. So you can wear it during summers as well and adjust it, and during winters you can just loosen up a bit and you can wear it. Also, my size is 38, and I bought Birkenstock in 38, so this is true to size. You do not have to buy a size smaller or bigger than your normal size. And monsoon, budget friendly, these are the ones. Though this EVA sandals is, I would say, a little expensive than the normal flip-flops and sliders available, but I would suggest that this is worth it. I would give this shoe a 9 on 10. You should definitely go for this guys, because this is very durable. Unlike any other flip-flop that gets ruined in a year or so, this will last you really long. This will last you for, I think, for 4-5 years. And they come in a lot of fun colors. Green, orange, red. I wanted to buy red, but my size was not available. It was out of stock, so I ended up buying blue, which is also an amazing color. They also come in basics like the white and black as well, so you can go for that as well. So yeah, if you want to, you know, be in that Birkin sandal trend sort of thing, then rather than buying the expensive version, I would suggest buy the EVA ones. Try it out, see if it suits you, see if you like it, and then you can just buy the entire collection. So now let me just show you how to style these in a lot of ways. Yes, you can style them in a lot of ways guys, so check this out. Somebody's buying polo.